Alright, well, this is weird, man. Rightio, lads and lasses. We're here.
You're a pirate.
Yeah, that's it. I am today because stuff is getting a bit crazy. We're with long range Tony, and I don't know if we're doing long range today, but
No.
you've bought this thing out and it is massive. What is it?
So this is a Navy Cub from Hobby King. We put it in with a little head tracking unit and FPV.
Is that set up now?
So it starts, I turn it on now. And so
Move your head around.
Hang on a sec. Let me just, if I just calibrate that.
Let me zoom in here. So that's you moving your head around, and
Yep.
you can actually look around when you're flying.
Exactly.
All right.
Yep.
I had a quick go too. It's pretty responsive. So
It's
as soon as you
super
move your head,
responsive.
it looks that way.
So,
All right. I'm interested to see this thing take off anyway on this bumpy ground.
should be right.
You reckon this will take off very quickly?
Yeah, with a little bit of wind today, I think this will be up before you know it.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
Alright, let me stick. There we go.
Oh, this feels like you're actually in the plane, mate, with that prop view. Oh, it really does feel like you're flying. I know, like even more so. Doesn't it get disorientating though? That's one
No.
thing I'd be freaked out about.
Not at all.
Gee, that picture's good. What's over to the right? Oh, nice. What's our battery voltage? 4 volts. Oh, this is awesome. I love it too how when the prop's spinning.
Yeah, I can make it stand still.
Yeah. All right, let's come back and I want to see a loop to loop.
Yep. Alright, you ready?
Yep. Is that what you call it, loop to loop?
Loop.
Yeah,
Just a
okay.
loop.
A loop to loop is like what kids
I'll
call
do
them,
something
right?
better. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Inverted.
Please don't crash. Get out of it. It's freaking me out. Is that hard? How do you fly inverted? I don't even know if this camera's focused on us.
Change the, just got to change the horizon.
All right, where's the pass? I'm going to film it line of sight.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Woo! Gee, it sounds beautiful. Do you get good flight times on this?
Loads. Yeah, this will fly for over 10 minutes. I've only put a smaller 1500 in here, but I usually fly on a 4S 2200, but a low output like 20 or 30S.
Sorry, to be honest, I know you're talking. I just heard you babbling. I was not even listening. I was just enjoying that. My mind was elsewhere. Like this makes me, it really feels like you're in the craft this way, doesn't it? When you've got
brilliant.
that sort of stuff around.
Now, when I was a lot younger, I used to fly. And it
Like
just,
real planes?
Real planes, and it just reminds me of that.
Oh, this is beautiful. Gee, it's getting crystal clear video too.
Yeah, it's great.
Well done for 25 milliwatts. Oh, I love it. I just love seeing the prop in the the little dials. Oh, we've got a lot of work to do here. You don't know how awesome I think this is. I've got some big ideas. We could have a lot of fun with this sort of stuff.
You could have so much fun doing these.
Oh, is this a landing? No, just a low pass.
Ready? Loop. Oh, hang on.
Oh.
Let me just go back.
That wasn't a loop.
No, that wasn't a loop. I'll do a loop. Hang on. We'll do it into the wind. That was a crosswind loop.
Yep.
Cuban 8. Up and over.
Okie dokie. You know what? I actually feel like I'm moving my head around. Usually I don't do that when I'm flying.
It's so nice though. Just adds a completely different perspective to flying a plane.
This is cool, man. Next time what we're going to do, I don't want to fly it. I'm sorry. It just looks too big, and you've seen what happens to all the wings that I've flown, all right? This is not one we want to stack into the ground.
Well, if you have a set of goggles
yeah,
on,
we can swap.
we can swap. That's all right.
But hang on. Yours is attached to your
That's okay. I can just hand her across. It's easy.
No, I don't want the radio, mate.
You want the headset?
I want the headset.
Well, what I can do, I can lock it out, you see, like that. Now it doesn't move.
Okay.
So I've got a switch.
I still don't want to fly it. I'm still worried about breaking your expensive toy. I don't know if it's expensive, but It looks like it'll not.
So in Aussie, I bought this for $180.
180 bucks.
Yeah, ready to fly.
What?
Yeah. Oh, you know, it's got everything in it. You just got to bolt it all together. Put my own FPV equipment in, but all the servos and the motor.
How are you charging your goggles? Are they charged off your radio?
No. So this head tracker unit comes out of the trainer port.
Okay.
And what it does is the 2 channels, pan and tilt, are sent to the radio as trainer channels.
Yep.
Yep, and they override. But man, the picture's good.
Now, what we need to do though, I'm going to put your goggles on my head. No.
That's right, I'm just setting up the goggle. I just want to be able to see the voltage. 14.9 I'm on. So what do you want to do?
Do you reckon you could kneel down on the ground?
Yep.
Then I'm going to give you my goggles.
Yeah.
You can put those on.
Hang on, I'll just do line of sight and we'll swap goggles.
Okay.
Okay. It's coming over the top of our heads.
Yep.
Just lock that out.
It'll be fine, he said. So you're going that way?
Where is it? Oh yeah, there we go.
So can I take these off you?
Yeah, you take the goggles.
Hang on. Can you move your arm so I can have, there we go. I'm just going to rest this down. I'm going to give Tony my goggles. I'm going to put this on the ground. Is that all right? I'm being very gentle. So you tell me when you want the goggles back on.
Now. Perfect, that's good.
You can see?
Yep. I like your goggles, can I keep them?
The HDOs?
Yeah.
All right, now I'm putting your goggles on.
Do me a favour, there's a button on the right hand side up here. Can you
up
just
where?
Up here,
Yep.
on yours.
Yep.
Can you just press it once?
What's it do?
It will just reset the head tracker. Okay, so I'm gonna, it's on your goggles.
Let me have a look.
So it's the one
that says head tracker.
Yep, so ready, just tap it once and now, no, ready? Put it on, put it on your eyes and level. And then
hang on, give me a second. Okay.
Okay, so put it on.
Yep.
And press it once. Now you have control.
Alright, well, this is weird, man. Can you see I'm being an absolute tourist? Like the way I'm looking around. Instead of focusing on where we're flying, I'm just enjoying the scenery. Nice, this is trippy.
How good is it?
Oh, I love it. What's our voltage? You want me to have a look?
Yeah, it's a bit
I don't know if I can tell because it's going into the sun. I'll tell you what, you've got a tight headband on here, mate. You must have a smaller head than mine.
No, I just liked it tight today.
Jeez. Sorry, I wasn't really paying attention.
You're right.
I am a fan.
It's good, isn't it?
This is cool.
Now I can override you like this. You see?
Oh, now I've locked out.
Yeah, I've locked you out.
Too easy. All right, well, I'm going to take these off and I will let you bring it in. I'm going to film the landing, all right?
All right. Downwind. I'm going to circle around the back tree and I'm going to see how close I can get to us.
To us?
Yeah.
This is a terrible idea, mate. Last time I tried this, well, I'll roll what happened on the screen, but I pretty much crashed into myself.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, so did most of YouTube as well. Man, your goggles are awesome.
They are nice, aren't they?
I'm loving it. Here we go. You ready?
Yep. Don't come straight at us, mate.
No.
All right, Tony's coming in for the landing. Whoa. Oh, beautiful. And then you just drive it back.
Yep.
That was cool.
You like that?
Yeah, I did. I did. You know what? I feel like I had a great experience. I did prefer it with my HDOs.
Yeah.
Because it's such a nice picture,
Such
and that's
a
what
great
it's all
picture.
about when you're up there
Yeah,
looking
yeah.
around. You must have thought it looked good in the goggles.
That looked awesome in there.
Yeah. All right.
Very good.
That was amazing.
Hey.
Thanks for my first ever head tracker experience,
Thank you,
Tony.
pal. That's good.
All right. Tony, we were just talking and I've had to turn the camera back on. I'm going to make you repeat yourself.
Yep.
Because we're talking about, you know, how fun it is as long as you can enjoy it and crash it and just fly it and not worry too much, and it's all where we get the most fun, and I definitely crash them a lot.
Yep.
But you just said a cool little tip about crashes and fixing them.
So with the EPO, EPP airframes, when you have a crash and they snap or the foam compresses and gets the wrinkles in, you think like, oh, it's never going to, when you glue it back together, it's never going to glue back straight because it's all bent and distorted. I read online a month or so ago that if you get boiling water and pour boiling water over the top of the foam, it actually expands the foam back to its original
so little
foam
air
shape.
bubbles inside
Yeah.
expand again, and
They all go back out, and I actually broke a Spitfire in half last weekend, and I glued it back and it was all twisted up, and so I stripped all the electrics out and then just kettle over the sink, boiling hot water, and it all started sort of moulding back to its original shape. And in the end, I flew it again today. Perfect. Like, you wouldn't even know it's been broken.
been smashed.
Yeah.
Cool little tip there. A bit of boiling water to help buff your foam back to original condition. What's it like, Trevor?
That is cool. Really feel like you're inside it. Stopped.
Hey?
Help! The engine stopped. Oh, thank you.
Wow. It's awesome, isn't it? Do you feel like you're actually flying the
You
plane?
feel like you're in there. You really do. This is so cool.
Watch it inverted flight. Look up.
Do you want me to be the turbulence?
Yeah, I like that. It's funny. I look to the left. I can't see you, Stu. That's a good thing.
Get out.
Hey, you just realised something.
Go on. Look
There's
forward.
no pilot in here.
Nah.
What's the voltage? What's the voltage? See, look down at the dash.
Hang on. I've got to get. Let me put shade in. 0.9.
Yeah, it's 3.9 there.
Hang on.
Hang on, I'm gonna get turn. Everyone's left their radios on. Trevor's, I'm turning yours off.
Inactivity alarm.
Goodbye, young lady. Turning mine off. Goodbye, cruel world.
What do you reckon, Trev?
Yeah, it's really cool. Oh. Well, that's cool when you do a bank. That's awesome. Look at that. Oh, that is great.
How high can you see?
Oh, hang on. Let's go up.
Oh, sun's in my eyes.
Hang on. Let's go up.
I forgot my sunnies. Did we go back there and get me sunnies?
Let's go up. Get some altitude. Yeah.
The
Okay.
gauge is not working.
No.
How high do we can't tell how high we are. Oh, I haven't got any shoes on. I haven't got any feet.
Hang on.
Motor stop, Tony. There's the bay.
Feel like you're in a glider or something up there?
Yeah, that is cool.
It's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yep.
Ready? I'll do a stall turn.
Do a barrel roll if
pull
you're
up,
going in.
pull up. Terrain, terrain, terrain.
It's so quiet. Gee, it looks huge, but how heavy is that?
It weighs nothing. I'll let you pick it up in a sec.
Are you coming in for a landing?
No. I'm going to shoot the two trees.
And give me a go again. I'm going to take this off Trevor. I want to go. Yeah, whatever.
Make him scream, Tony.
Alright.
Oh man, it's cool.
Oh, train.
God, it's so cool looking out over the wheels and stuff. How high can I look up? Yeah. Is it expensive to get these set up?
No. Do you know what? The gimbal, just with the two servos and the plastic, $25.
Okay.
And I had all the camera and the FPV.
I can hear beeping.
Yeah, I'm going to bring it in.
Can I have control while you land? Do you reckon you're good enough?
Do you want to... Oh, hang on. Oh, I've had a battery completely.
Oh, well. Just as well.
Look. There's nothing now.
Can you bring it back?
Let me see.
Nah. Nah, you're stuck, man. There's no way.
No. I'm out of battery. That was flat. You're right.
Well, that was good timing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Because otherwise you'd be all out of luck if you're up in the air.
That would have been bad.
Alright, so we're enjoying that flight too much. We weren't even looking at the voltage checker. Okay, final thoughts, Trevor. What did you reckon about it, the head tracker system?
Awesome.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
That was great.
What about on a quad? It would be a bit disorientating, I think, if you were zipping around through gates and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Especially if you're someone like Cal who flies like this.
Yeah.
Anyway.
No, I don't think it worked too well on a quad. But,
No, that was good on that
that was
plane.
fun.